Shaibu don dey boast again, say Team Edo for the 2022 National Sports Festival go come home with all the golds. Edo State Deputy Governor, Right Honourable Comrade Shaibu, don tok say make Team Edo show other teams wey dey participate for the National Sports Festival say Edo na baba for sports for Naija. Shaibu tok dis one on Tuesday for Samuel Gbemudia Stadium, Benin City, as Team Edo dey comot go represent the state for the National Sports Festival wey dey shele for Asaba, Delta State. E con still tok say Edo State get the best sporting equipment for Naija, and na dis one con still helep top world-class athletes do well for Ogbodo Oyinbo.
Gradually returning sport back to our state, and you have the best facility. I don't know what is there, but whatever it is, just go and make us proud. Our red jersey, it has a spirit behind it. That spirit is spirit of winning, it's not spirit of losing. Our target is to have, in every national tournament, to have our Edo people in every team. Whether it's athletics, or whether it's handball, or whether it's football, whether it's gymnastics, whether it's volleyball, squash, weightlifting, just name the game. As far as Nigeria is concerned, if you are choosing those that will represent the country, our target is that if you are choosing 10, 4, minimum of 4 must come from us. That is our target. And it is possible. And that is why we are building these facilities for you to continually have them to use, taking advantage of it. I've been going around seeing some of you training. Some time I'll come, you are finished training. That is what it should be. It's your facility. But as we go to Delta and come back, they came here to take first, even when we know some of them was not straight. Now we are going there to show them that we are their senior brother. Edo is the senior brother of Delta. Delta is our younger brother. So we are going there to show them. No state has the facility that you have in training. So go and show them. We hosted some tournaments and some trials here. The people that came here to use our facility, to also do trial here, when they left here, they got to abroad. They discovered that our facility, what they were using here is what they saw there. From there, this lady became the world champion now. Toby Amosun became world champion. But she is from here. She used the facility and trained. And she got there. The same thing she used here is what she went and she met there. So you have the best. You are the best. Show it in Asaba. And by the grace of God, we'll be celebrating more champions, world record breakers, tournament record holders here.
Shaibu con still tok say make dem comot their mind from anything wey go distract dem and make at least 4 Team Edo qualify for all the games for the sports festival. E tok say dem be winner and dis one no be for mouth and make dem make Edo State proud.
We have make all arrangements for you. Your allowances and every other things will be delivered. Remove your mind from your allowances and the rest. Your allowances will be given to you. We don't owe. So put your mind on what? The gold medal. Put your mind in winning the gold medal. Remove your mind from anything that will distract you. You hear me? My duty is to make sure I provide what you need. So it's not your headache, it's my headache. Your own headache is to go and do what? Win gold medal. And that is the only way we can actually show that if you must choose 10 in Nigeria, 4 must come from Edo.
Oluwatobi Odeshola, TMC TV News. Make you now remember say your PVC na your power. No go sell your vote give any politician or political party on election day.